we're still pregnant with no signs of being unpregnant. Yesterday I was feeling a lot of pressure and some pains here and there, but nothing got regular. I didn't drink. I usually have water beside me at night by my bedside. I didn't have any water last night, but I feel like last night I woke up like 6 different times to pee. For a night that I didn't drink any water through the night, that was a lot for me. So, but as I said, we're still here, still no signs of pregnancy. So I am going out. I shouldn't be out for too long. I need to pay my internet cable home phone bill, and for some reason I can't pay it through the app. I usually pay it through their app and it's not taking the payment. It's telling me that I need to contact my bank, but I know that I don't need to contact my bank for anything because I paid my cell phone bill. So I have my cell phone with the same company. I paid my cell phone bill through the app this month, and it took the card. So I don't know what the issue is. I uninstalled the app and reinstalled the app because that app has given me issues before with taking cards, and I've tried like a credit card, a debit. Yeah guys, so I was saying that I'm going to pay a bill because I can't pay it in the app. I don't know what's going on with their app. It's not the first time it's giving me that issue. So I just have to go and pay it in store because it's due tomorrow. And the account that I have the money in, I can't pay it from that account. So I would have to go to the ATM anyway, withdraw the money, then deposit it into the other account that I have, that I can pay that bill from. So either way I would have to leave the house. So I just stopped and bought some gas. It's a little bit of gas because I know that I'm not going to be driving. So I'm not gonna be driving my car or myself anywhere after today, most likely. So I just got a little bit of gas. I stopped and got a little basin, just in case I want to rinse out any, you know, when baby have no explosive nothing and you need to just rinse out that little outfit. So I bought a little basin because I didn't have one, a little green one. It's not even, it looks like it's one of those kitchen containers, but that's what they had, so that's what I bought. Come out, because you're already coming out in the middle of the road and then you just stop. I bought that and I bought some clothespins. And now I'm actually on my way to Flow to go and pay my bill. I'm going to show you the basin because it looks like one of those kitchen containers. You're in the road. Everybody coming out in the road today, like nobody is stopping. Like they're just putting on the indicator and coming out. Like your car is already in the road, so I can only stop and allow you to go. So why you come out in the road and stop? Thank you, person. Let's see what the overflow look like. Have 5 million people over there as usual, but it should be fine. Preggers, come out, sir. Come out. Come out. This is how I talk to people when I'm in my car, even though I know they can't hear me. I'm fine. Alright. Why that window take long for enough though? Let us see, where is our parking? Where's our parking? Okay, they didn't take that parking spot, so I can take it. And we gotta back up into parking space because we like to drive out of spaces. We don't like to reverse out of spaces. Sorry, I couldn't tell me that you're leaving. Let me park there, so would have been so ideal. How far back am I on the people in pedestrian crossing? Not pedestrian crossing, on the sidewalk for people to walk. Okay, so this is a little basin. It says plastic house here. I don't know, it looked like something that you would have in the kitchen, but that's what they had, so that's what I bought. I bought some clothes because I don't know if that's, I think from my other kids was told to buy them their own clothespins. If you're Jamaican or from anywhere else that insists that baby has their own clothespins, please let me know down in the comments. Alright, so we're going to pay $1 billion now. We're going to pay this bill. And then I'm going to the pharmacy as well. I need some prenatals, so I'm gonna buy that as well. Alright, so that took a little bit longer than expected. I went straight in to the cashier, but their system was down. Like the Wi-Fi was down. So the terminal, the point of sale terminal was not working, so I had to wait a little bit. But it's all good. So now I'm gonna go get my my prenatals, and I need to make a call. I have a box of some. Did I say that today is my first day of maternity leave officially? Yeah, today is my first day of maternity leave. I'm gonna make a call, guys. Then one piece of something for coming out of the car. Oh my god. The person that parked beside me parked very close. Well, these parking spots are pretty close. So, is the car right there, so? You want to see me? They said sideways, and on my tippy toes, trying to come through the car door to slide in. Thank you. I collected my box. This box has been waiting for me for the longest while. Where is the Starbucks box? Okay. And then I bought my prenatals, and I bought some more Tums because my Tums finished. And I bought a patty. I bought a cheese patty. Cheese patty is hot as hell. Come on, help me unpack my copy to the look pack. Alright, let's go. So, homeward bound now. Homeward bound. Pepper man. see my car driving here, Mr. National Land Agency, sir? Man coming out of him parking spot and him see that man on the road. And him inching out the same way. Thank you.
Yes.
Alright. More sanitizing again. Alright guys. I feel I'm out of gas. Come on, come out. Be done serious. Oh my god, what is this big pothole doing in the road? I don't know, I want to see it. Alright. I was just told by a gentleman in the pharmacy to go home and go cock up my foot. I'm not supposed to dip on the road. But that's what I'm gonna do now, guys. It's from my little vlog, which was mostly a car chat of me telling you what I was doing with myself, and not so much a vlog of you seeing what I was actually doing. But yeah, I'm not about to fit it. It's 10:34 a.m. It's so early. Am I forgetting to do anything? I don't think so. But yeah, I'm just gonna go home now. I don't have anything else to do. So thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in another vlog. In another video. And hopefully we're not pregnant. And baby boy is here. And he's fine and I'm fine. But if I'm pregnant in the next video, what to do about it, right? Alright guys. Bye. Thanks for tuning in.